Welcome to Joey's Curiosity. If you think high school competitive math is nothing but rigid formulas, tedious calculations, and painful algebraic equations, prepare to have your mind completely changed. In this video, we tackle a clever math kangaroo level 9-10 geometry and volume puzzle by throwing out traditional, messy variables and relying entirely on pure logic, creativity, and a brilliant visual shortcut. Let's get right to the quiz. By dropping the exact same number of gold coins into two cylindrical piggy banks of the same width but different height, one bank is filled to half its height, and the other is filled to a quarter of its height. How much taller is the larger piggy bank relative to the smaller one? A, 25%, B, 50%, C, 75%, D, 100%, E, 200%. This is the brief on solving proportional math puzzles. We're pulling a problem from the geometry of proportional volume and height to show you how skipping messy algebra for a simple mental math trick makes finding relative heights a total breeze. First, let's picture the setup. Imagine two cylindrical piggy banks. They have the exact same width, but entirely different heights. So you drop the exact same number of gold coins into both, right? Well, one bank fills to exactly half its total height, while the other fills to just a quarter. So how much taller is the larger bank? Is it 25%, 50%, 75%, 100%, or 200%? I know the natural instinct is to panic and build a crazy algebraic equation, but honestly, why twist our brains with variables when we can ground this in reality? Second, we're going to bypass that algebra entirely using the magic number trick. Since the coin stacks are identical in both banks, let's keep it simple and assign a real number to their height. Let's pretend the coins reach exactly 4 inches. By treating them like literal building blocks, you instantly create a physical anchor that makes the math super visual. Finally, let's run the numbers. For bank 1, if our 4-inch stack fills it halfway, the total height obviously has to be 8 inches. For bank 2, those same 4 inches are only a quarter of the height, meaning the whole bank is 16 inches tall. Now compare them. The 16-inch bank is exactly 8 inches taller than the smaller one. Since that extra 8 inches equals the entire height of the smaller bank, your answer is 100%. Being 100% taller literally just means the big bank is a whole extra smaller bank tall. By anchoring abstract fractions to a simple magic number, you can conquer complex geometry puzzles right in your head. Thanks for watching. We have a lot of exciting content coming up, so make sure to subscribe and turn on all notifications. Don't forget to like and comment to let me know you're here. See you in the next one.